Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Sargent, the Gutsy Gal. I told you that I would be doing this detox with you. So we are going to have a momentous occasion right now. We are going to mix up our first nutritional beverage. This is day 2. So it's 1 scoop 2 times a day, 1 Advoclear 2 times today. And that's going to help to start supporting your liver and your intestines to really be able to detox. So let's get this thing rocking, right? So I've got some almond milk. I'm going to put 4 ounces of almond milk in my little shaker cup right here. And yum-o that. I've got my tub of Ultra Clear Renew. So grab a scoop of that, and not a big oversized scoop, just a normal size scoop of powder, and dump that right in there. I like it cold, so throw in some ice and the little magic shaker ball that makes this whole thing work really, really well, because when you do the little shaker ball, then all the lumps go out and it's much easier to swallow. So shake it up and realize that you have part of your meal already done. How quick was that? Less than a minute and you've got part of your meal. So let's rock this thing out. Welcome to day 2. Now you know exactly what to do. Let's have some fun. Let's go.